Nakahanda na ang Philippine Army sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan para sa kauna-unahang Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARM parliamentary elections sa susunod na buwan. Ayon kay Army spokesperson Colonel Louie Di Maala, nakaayos na ang kanilang security plan sa gagawing pagsuporta sa Commission on Elections at Philippine National Police sa pagpapatupad ng kaayusan sa halalan.
Right now, yung troops natin under the 6th Infantry Division and the 1st Infantry Division is already prepared to augment and support yung ating COMELEC together with the Philippine National Police to ensure magkakaroon ng peace and order during the BARM election. While yung 4th Infantry Division and the 10th Infantry Division are ready to support yung dalawang division na yon sa area ng West Mincom in implementing the peaceful election.
Nilinaw ng Philippine Army na wala pa silang namomonitor na konkretong banta sa kasalukuyan tungkol sa mga umiiral umanong threat signals sa ilang lugar sa BARM.
Right now, we have not monitored any threat. However, yung ating 6th Infantry Division and the 1st Infantry Division is continually monitoring the area in coordination with the Philippine National Police.
Bagamat pansamantalang itinigil ng COMELEC nitong Martes ang kanilang paghahanda para sa eleksyon matapos maglabas ng Temporary Restraining Order o TRO ang Korte Suprema sa pagpapatupad ng Bangsamoro Parliamentary Redistricting Act of 2025. Ayon kay National Security Advisor Eduardo Anyo, tuloy pa rin ang kanilang paghahanda sa hanay ng seguridad.
We will still continue the preparation for the security sector, the armed forces of the Philippines. We respect the issuance of the higher court, but we will continue to prepare. As far as the situation is concerned, it is stable and peaceful. Our armed forces and Philippine National Police are prepared. We are actually wanting to make this election to push through because a lot of issues will be resolved through the election in the BARM.
Bagamat may nakikita silang internal issue sa MILF, hindi anya ito makakaapekto sa eleksyon.
There are some, issues internal to the MILF, but it is up for them to resolve this. But it would not constitute to a threat or that would, develop violence and disrupt the peace and order in Mindanao. No, it would. The situation continues to be very stable, and our armed forces and Philippine National Police are always saying that they are prepared for the election. So
no cause for concern for
no, there's no cause for concern, no cause for alarm.
Kahapon bumisita si Defense Secretary Gilberto Chodoro Jr. sa 103rd Infantry Brigade sa Marawi City. Kasama sina AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr., Philippine Army Commanding General Lieutenant General Antonio Nafarrete at ilang pang senior official ng AFP. Binigyang diin ng kalihim ang mahalagang papel ng sandataang lakas sa pagtiyak ng tagumpay ng kauna-unahang BARM parliamentary election. Habang unti-unting papalapit ang eleksyon, giit ni Chodoro na buo ang suporta ng Department of National Defense para sa AFP upang mapanatili ang integridad, kaligtasan at kaayusan sa eleksyon sa susunod na buwan. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.